Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Plunger, and today in this video I will be showing you how to host your own private Minecraft server on your own PC. I will also be showing you how to port forward, because that is needed in this tutorial. Let's just jump right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Minecraft launcher. Go to your installations tab and click new. When you go to new, you find the version which you want to make your server on. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do 1.8.9. Now once you've done that, above here you should see something that says server above the version tab. Click that and it will redirect you to one of Mojang's official websites where it will download the appropriate server corresponding to what version. Once you've done this, you don't have to save the profile, you can just close it out of the launcher. Create a new folder on your desktop. It doesn't matter what you call it, but I'm just going to call it that. Now what you're going to want to do is drag in the server file that you just downloaded. You can safely close your browser. Open up the folder you put it in, rename the file just to server. Double click the file, double click on eula.txt, and change this false right here to true, and save it. Double click on the file again, and it should open up with a window. This is your Minecraft server. And if I open up Minecraft and I enter in localhost on the direct connect, like this, and then join, you will connect to your server. What we're doing this for is so that other people, like your friends, can play on your server. So to do that, we're going to do another extra step. Type stop to stop your server. Open up CMD. If you are on Mac, it's going to be terminal, and I don't think it's going to be the same command, but I'm pretty sure that Macs have a similar command which shows you the same information. Type in ipconfig exactly the same way I did and press enter. Now over here, you just need everything below wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. Everything above here we don't need for this tutorial. Now one thing that we're really going to need is on this default gateway here. It's not the same for everyone. Open up your internet browser and enter in that default gateway. The exact things that are here. For me, I go to advanced settings. I don't know how anyone else does it. For some, about maybe 50 or 40% of internet modems, routers, whatever you call them, it will just be admin for both of these. But my one isn't like that, so look on your router and it will probably have the information. For me, I go to advanced setup and I find NAT. Go to custom service and type in Minecraft. Now before we do this step, we're going to have to go back to CMD and find our IPv4 address. This one right here. Now you're going to want to go back to your Minecraft server, go to server.properties, scroll down until you find server IP right here. And you're going to want to enter in this exact one that you have here. Now that you've entered that in, you can safely save it and then close the window. Go back to here and enter in the same number that you have here. For the port, it is 25565 for both of them. For the protocol, you can do TCP/UDP or TCP. This is not the final step. If you would like your server to be faster and locate more RAM, create a new text file. Name it start or run, or it doesn't really matter. Now go into there, and there will be this exact code here that I will put in the description of this video. The XMX. This is the max amount which the server can use. To change this to an even number, and whatever number it is the max amount of RAM that it can do. Make sure you don't go above the amount of RAM on your device. Once you've saved this, go to view and make sure that you have file name extensions enabled. Go to rename and get rid of the txt and replace it for bat. And click yes. Now whenever you start this, your Minecraft server will start. Now that we've done this, we have to go back to our browser and type in my IP. If you go to this website, which is like whatismyipaddress.com, right here it'll show you IPv4. IPv6, I don't have one. I don't have that, but if you do, don't use that one. Use IPv4. Copy this. This is your public IP so that other people connect to your server. They will use this IP to connect to your Minecraft server. Now all you have to do next is open up your game. Now that you've done all the other steps, go to multiplayer. I'm just going to connect. There. you have your very own private Minecraft server. Sadly, you cannot break blocks unless you have operator permissions. So if you would like to op yourself, type op and then your Minecraft username. Go back to your game and you will see in the chat that it says that the server has opped you. Now you should be able to safely break blocks. You can type /game mode and you can go into creative mode. If you like to add a custom world to your server, go back into the server, and if you have a world, you can't just drag a world in. Like I can't just drag this world in, which I have. You have to open this up, drag everything out, and put it in the recycle bin. Then you can open up any of the worlds, and then you get all the information in there, and you drag it in there. Your server will not be up all day. You have to have that specific run file, this one or that one, up for it to work. You can also check your logs to see what happened in the server, like people running commands. Just a friendly reminder, make sure you have your EULA always on true. If you change it to false, even after you set the server up, it will not work. And that is a tutorial on how to make your very own Minecraft server. Thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.